So right now I'm going to show you how to install this Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. So the great thing is that this is battery powered, or you can hardwire it. So it comes with different fasteners and attachments. So depending on if you're going to hardwire it or if you want to attach it a different way, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to hardwire mine, but if you don't want to hardwire yours, you've got these other options here. So this one you can hardwire as well, of course, but it is battery powered. So if you've got an area or a situation where you want it at an angle, this piece here works great for that. I've got a straight shot, so this flat one's going to work for me. And then if you're somewhere where you don't want to fasten it, you don't want to screw holes in the wall or the area, this one just sticks. It's got this double-sided adhesive here, and this can just stick it to a material there, and then you can go ahead and connect the video doorbell that way. So it's really easy to work here. On the back, you've got these two connectors here. So if you are hardwiring it, just turn off the power, and then it does not matter where the red wire or the white wire connect on the back here. It's just completing a circuit. So you can put any one on any one of these connections on the back. So just make sure the power is off. You've got your power button here on the back, so you just press and hold that to power it on. But if you're just doing battery and you're not doing the hardwire connection, this little rubber piece pulls back, and that's how you're going to charge it. On a full charge, it can last up to 180 days, of course, depending on your situation. It really just depends on how often it's being used. So I went ahead and just, pressed the doorbell button. So the cool thing is that it chimes at the door itself. It also has a chime that it comes with that you will plug in. So, you can really set this up a couple different ways. I would recommend connecting it to Wi-Fi first, because once I hardwire it here, it's going to be harder to, disconnect and get to the buttons. So to connect it, you're just going to turn it on. You're going to download the app on your phone. You're going to take the included chime with it. You're going to follow the instructions to get it connected first to your Bluetooth on your phone, and then you'll get it connected to Wi-Fi. Once it's all set up, it's easy to go, and then you'll be able to control everything through the app. So it's really easy. Just follow the instructions. It walks you through it step by step to get it set up. So now what I'm just going to do is go ahead and connect these to the back of it here. And then it's just got these little hooks here on the plastic attachment that line up here on the back of the doorbell, and then you just slide it down. And then here on the bottom, it's got this special screw and a special tool here, this screwdriver with the orange handle. So you're just going to loosen that screw on the bottom. You'll slide it down. You'll tighten the screw, and that will get it connected. And that's it. You are ready to go. It's motion sensor activated, so if it sees anything, it will go ahead and turn on and automatically start recording. So there you go. That is how you set up your Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. We've been using ours for a couple of weeks now. We really like it. We switched from another popular brand, and we personally, prefer this one more. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.